become future stars. Chapter 12. The Jinn and the Fisherman. Once there was a man. He had a jinn under his control. The jinn had magical powers. He could change his shape in any form. He was so powerful that he could lift a mountain. The man, his master, had powers to make him obey. So, the jinn was ready to do anything for him. Once the jinn did not obey his master and made a mistake. The master got angry. He put the jinn in a bottle and closed it tightly. He then threw the bottle into the sea. The jinn cried, but no one was there to hear his cries. The bottle floated on water for many days. The jinn thought that his master was very cruel. All men were cruel like his master. Whenever I became free, I will kill every man, even the one who sets me free. One day a fisherman started for the seashore. He cast his net as usual and waited for his catch. When he pulled his net out, he found it heavy. Word meaning: tightly, fitting too closely, floated, moved on the surface of liquid. Cruel, unkind person. As usual, in a normal way. What could it be? He said to himself. No fish, at least, can be so heavy. And, indeed, there was no fish in the net. Instead, there was a big bottle in it. The fisherman was going to throw the bottle back into the sea, but he heard a voice from inside the bottle. Please open the bottle and set me free. The fisherman thought for a while. The voice begged him again and again, please open the bottle and set me free. I will serve you forever. The fisherman, in surprise, removed the lid, and smoke came out. He stepped back in fear. Soon all the smoke in the bottle was out. It went up and sideways. To his great surprise, the fisherman saw the smoke turning into a jinn. The poor fisherman now tried to run away. But the jinn, with magical powers, took a step forward and with his long hand caught the fisherman by his neck. You all men are very cruel. I'll kill all of you. The first one are you, said the jinn in loud voice. But what is my fault? I set you free. Word meaning: voice, sound made from the mouth. Fault, mistake. A man like you had closed me inside the bottle. The fisherman was much afraid. How should I save myself? Suddenly an idea flashed across his mind. He said to the jinn, since I must die now, would you grant me my last wish? Kindly show me how a big person like you got into the bottle. The jinn laughed. Why not? It is so easy. In a moment he turned himself into smoke and got into the bottle. Without losing time, the fisherman placed the lid on the bottle and moved it tightly. He threw it back into the sea. So, the fisherman saved his life from the jinn. Word meaning: afraid, full of fear. Suddenly, quickly. Like, share, and subscribe.